Before starting the build, I'll briefly show a simple mind map. Now a mind map is just a quick visual way to organize ideas. You start with the main idea in the center, and in this case the moon lamp diorama, and then you branch out with related parts of the build like the cardboard structure, the LED star background and the lighting setup. You will need items like a cutting mat, pencil and electrical tape, and I'll list these items in the information below. I'll be using a kind of iterative design approach, which means starting with a basic version of the diorama, testing how it looks and then making small improvements as I go. And because we're working with simple materials like cardboard and tape, it's easy to adjust things, move parts around and refine the design as the build develops. I'll keep the process straightforward so anyone can follow along. If you want to add more complexity, there are plenty of opportunities to do that, whether that's improving the structure, or adding more detail, or experimenting with the lighting. These are the old Christmas lights I'm going to be using for this project. And by the way, if you do like these types of videos, please subscribe.